Connect the brush head to the handle with the bristles facing the logo and twist both rings 90 degrees to lock. Apply small chunks of toothpaste in 3 locations. Place the brush head on your upper jaw. Make sure your lips fully cover the brush head and that your teeth are between the bristles. Release your face muscles and activate. Hold the handle parallel to the jaw so the bristles clean the gum line. And don't bite the brush head. Just gently support it with the opposite jaw. After 30 seconds, Samba will automatically stop. Place on your lower jaw and activate again until stops. Wash the brush head under water to remove debris and leftover toothpaste. We recommend using a toothpaste with high fluidity, such as Curaprox BU, that is easily washed. For best cleaning results, replace the brush head every 3 months before the bristles wear out.